Hey everybody, me and Brake decided to go for a nice ride out in the country tonight. It's 30 degrees Celsius. On this ride we have lots of twisties here, and they're really tight turns. The average speed for these turns is 30 or 40k. You guys can guess how fast we're going based on the angles of our bikes, but it's a lot of concentration, a lot of fun, and enjoy. Also, I've tried some new angles out on the cameras here. Please let me know what you think, and if there's some angles that you think I should try, let me know, and happy to do it on my next video. So I'll leave it to you, and you'll hear a little bit more from me a little later in the video. So ciao for now. Well, you're probably trying to figure out why we're slowing down here, but if you look way into the distance there's a train going across our road. So rather than race up to sit at the train, we decided to coast and just take our time. Then I got a little bit bored here, and I thought, I'm gonna have a little bit of a slalom course here with these lines. So, oh, here I go. Sorry guys, I think I'm making you dizzy. Well, you're gonna see brake pull away from me here up these switchbacks. He knows these roads like the back of his hand. I think I've been on this one road once, and I thought every curve I was coming up to was one of those 30-kilometer turns. Well, most of these are sweeping turns, so you're going to hear me backing off on the throttle, thinking that I have to slow down quite a bit. And that's why brake just keeps pulling away. Won't let that happen again in this video.
Well, that was a lot of fun. This ride we took tonight took a little over 2 hours. It's a little intense, so I don't think you'd want to do much more than that. We're now relaxing next to the river. Got a nice little breeze coming off the water, and basically just discussing how our bikes perform, what maybe we should do to make them perform better, and just enjoying the whole atmosphere of the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ciao for now.